Hi, I'm Danny.
And I'm Joyce.
And we are Roaming Happy. So we were working on an Airstream that we have that we're going to restore and use it for a bit. And on Facebook we came across a posting of someone who was talking about this Argosy that was about to be scrapped. And it was complete, and the only issue was it had been sitting somewhere for 20 years. So I communicated with the poster, and he communicated with the people who had it. And I said, you know, don't scrap this thing or sell it for parts. It's in good shape. Let me come get it and restore it. So they agreed, and so we decided to drop everything and go get it. So we've been on the road for a while.
About 8 hours. We did 4 hours last night, 4 hours this morning. We got about 4 more hours.
Yep. So we're excited to go get this and see what we can do with it. So we loaded up our Airstream recovery kit. It's in the back of the truck, and I'll have a separate video about what I take for something like this when we don't know what real condition it's going to be in, because it's been sitting there I think 20 years. So we've got some reports about the condition, but you don't ever really know until you crawl underneath it. So I've tried to prepare for almost any case that could happen. We'll see how that works out.
Because we got to tow it back 12 hours.
Yeah, we got to tow it back. So we'll reveal it when we get there, see what kind of condition it's in, and then we'll walk through kind of what we're going to do before we even attempt to bring it back and drive it back 12 hours, if we can. Hopefully the frame will hold up and then we'll see the condition. So what we think we're going to end up with is a 1979 Argosy. I think it's 30 foot, and it has a window in the door, so it's kind of rare. It's the last year they were made, so we're excited about getting it and restoring it. We're going to do a complete shell-off restoration. So we got about 4 more hours of driving, and for you watching the video, that'll be just a second, and we'll see you when we get there and we'll reveal it. All right, so we picked it up.
Yes!
We're really excited. It looks awesome. So let me show you what it looks like inside. We'll do a walk around real quick. So allegedly this thing has been sitting somewhere for 20 years or more. Somebody was using it as a workshop. Now the wheels, the original wheels are in the back of the truck. They could not be used, they were all flat. So we haven't touched this. We've literally just picked it up. Haven't even like cleaned it off at a car wash yet. The wheels make it look a lot better, but even without the wheels, this thing is in amazing shape as far as the frame, the glass, the shell. So let me do a really quick walk around. Love the wraparound windows in the front. It's got a large window. It's a 30-foot, by the way. It's a 79. The Vista windows. It's got 2 on this side. I haven't checked the awning yet. We're just going to try to get home. We have a long way to go. And this is so awesome. We got the wraparound windows in the back. It does have a dent on top. We can take care of that. And you can still see a lot of the dirt. Like I said, we haven't even cleaned it yet. It's got a vista view window in the front. We're really excited about this. So let's take a look inside. Inside's pretty bad. Trailer lights aren't working, so we're gonna have to fix that. I've got temporary lights rigged up. So like I said, this guy was using it as a workshop for the last 20 years, fixing some things, who knows what. Campground cleaned it out. They just wanted it gone. So we're gonna gut this down. We're gonna take it all into the frame, shell off restoration, but we're pretty excited about it. Side bath, you know, the shower pans. Anybody's trying to find one of these? It's impossible to find. So we're glad that's still there. It's got the 3 tanks. It's got a lot of things that we can do with it. It's large, it's 30 foot. We're just really excited. So last year these were made like this. I think even the Vista View windows are in good shape. I don't know that they're, yeah, they're in pretty good shape and clean. Glass is all good. We're so excited. So this is going to be a keeper. This is one we're going to keep, and we're going to keep it long term, probably forever. We're going to live in it for a while, and we're going to document everything we do along the way. Got to pull out the shag carpet. I know a lot of people like it, but we're not going to keep it. Do the floors, shell off, have the frame fixed, all of that. So if you don't mind, please subscribe to our channel, click on the notifications, and follow along as we rebuild this from this to what it will look like in the future. If you have any questions, drop us a line. Be happy to help you, give you any advice. But we'll see you in a bit. Thanks.